Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to Life with Trisha and Bree. Oh!
So it's raining, and she going out she wants to ride in the rain. So all our is, guys. So let's see.
I'm the only one that never bathed in the rain before.
Rain water cold, so I don't bathe in cold water. I wouldn't bathe in the rain. Look at how the mountains is looking. I forgot to zoom up, man.
Oh shit, who did that? Oh shit, who shot?
She's a little tomboy. Go faster.
No.
Why you have looking big so? Birdies. You want a bird? Look, two now fly away there. Two birds now fly away there. Guys, I would carry a little to the river, but the rain falling, I'm feeling cold. I really not going and open the umbrella to walk in the road because the road has water in it and I don't want to get splashed. So maybe next time. And she say it low because we can't see the water from here. So guys, it's after the rain and stuff. Today we just having some chana. Mommy making doubles, so of course I had to take some chana and eat in a cup. Look how delicious. And when she make the doubles, of course I have to take you all along. Duh! I don't know why my camera showed so dark and it's daytime, but don't worry, I'll upgrade soon. So guys, mommy made doubles as you guys saw. I was eating the chana earlier on. This is the barra. I helped fry the barra. Yeah, so I wanna make a doubles teeth and I'll show you guys what I would eat. And of course you have to have pepper to go with it. Guys, so this is my doubles. I don't like pepper sauce or something and it don't have any sugar sauce to eat it. So I'm going to plain. Let's see this mechanic in action here.
Oh goodness.
You now do that, it was good all the time.
No, it was
Yes. You now do that.
What if I put my phone?
I'm holding it down by girl. Come on, I want to see your plant.
Yeah.
I covered.
Wow.
Oh, she planting a fila thing to sell here in front. What? I'm not getting you. Nobody wants to see you really. So you have your smallie. Shadow Benny.
You're big in house.
Shadow Benny. There's safe, ain't here?
You're big
There's
in
safe
house.
too? I don't know.
Onion.
What? I don't be planting, so I would know. Shucks, man.
We're all not going fit. No,
Just chuck it on my girl.
This colagua, I should have the edge. Smarty, pull out this one for the day. Oh God.
Yeah, you want to be a plant, huh? Oh God.
Go, go clap, let go. Let clap, let get up. I'll leave it long.
Guys, so rain falling and daddy making sahina for us. Roll sahina because we do like the other thing. And this is just one. It's frying. So this is just 3 out of the rest of the frying. Yummy. So guys, I already had 2 sahinas, but you know I had to eat one again for you guys to see how delicious it is. Let me take off my glasses. So let me see how I do in this now, okay? I'm sorry I didn't videotape the first 2 that I ate because it was tasting real good. I just had to cool down on it. Yum, yum, yum. It is pumpsy tea chutney. Come get your sahina. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so scary. Look at the trees. Guys, so it's the 3rd of July. I just came here to show you guys my eyeliner from Slay Bunny. It is super light, not sticky at all, and I love it. It's not heavy on your eyelids. So guys, go across to Slay Bunny and get your eyeliner now. Hi guys, so I am preparing some decorations. Paper flower decorations for my birthday. It's like 2 weeks before my birthday. And these are the colors we're going with: pink, blue, and white. So this is the second one. I have to pull up the petals. So watch me do it and see how it will come up. And the final product. You just have to squeeze the sides together. Guys, look how cute. Maybe sometime in the future I could do a one-on-one tutorial if you guys want that. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Next thing you bite me.
But if you let it go, it won't bite you.
Oh shit! Oh shit! It touched me.
Put it on.
The tail probably touch you.
Put it on, girl.
Listen to that little Abby.
You got hold the snake in there.
Hey, put on the thing later on.
Want to find this?
Okay guys, that's it for this week's video. The next video that will be out is for my birthday on the 14th. So in the nighttime we will put out that video. But guys, make sure like, comment, share and subscribe if the comments are turned on. If you want to enter the giveaway, you could head across to my Instagram or to the Instagram for this YouTube channel, which is Life with Trisha and Pri on Instagram, and Trishi X on Instagram. That is my personal account. You guys could head over there and comment um, done, and I will know that is for the giveaway. So guys, we're almost at 100 subscribers. There's something really good that we're giving away. I hope you guys enter and try to win. And the next giveaway will be even bigger. And guys, make sure and head across to my TikTok, Pretty V's TikTok, and her Instagram also. So bye. Till next video. Love you.